Advanced revenue management, month-end revenue processing. Okay, so we are up to ARM012 month-end, and let's go and look at suite answer 49199. There it is, 41999. Month-end revenue processing includes creating revenue recognition journal entries to post revenue from revenue plans and making month-end adjustments to deferred revenue. The month-end adjustments to deferred revenue are referred to as reclassification. Month-end revenue processing requires a user role with the following permissions: lists, revenue recognition schedules and edit, transactions, make journal entry and create. You can run these processes at any time, right? So you don't have to wait for month-end, but you should be sure to run them at the end of the period. They are not included in the period close list, right? So just running the period close list is not going to be good enough. You have to run this yourself, okay? Really, really important. Always run these processes in order. First, revenue recognition, and then deferred revenue reclassification. So let's just go and quickly look where they are. So transactions, financial, right, and here's your journal entries, and here's your reclassification journal entries. All right. If you use revenue forecast plans, recalculate your forecast plans after you finish revenue recognition and deferred revenue reclassification for the period. As the final step in month-end revenue processing, run and save the deferred revenue waterfall report. Right. For detailed information on these processes, see the following: revenue recognition journal entries, reclassification of deferred revenue, recalculate and revenue forecast plans, run and save the deferred revenue waterfall report. Now you will see here in my next videos, I have those here, okay? And then I'm going to look at reports later where you will see the waterfall report.